Hello there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Kids Zone, our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of premium protein supplementation with a detailed review of X2 Whey Protein Isolate. If you're serious about your fitness goals, stick around because this might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Before we jump into the specifics, let me give you a quick rundown of what X2 Whey Protein Isolate brings to the table. As the name suggests, it's an ultra-pure whey protein isolate designed to fuel your muscles with high-quality protein without unnecessary fillers or additives. Now, let's talk taste and mixability. One of the first things you'll notice is how effortless this powder blends into your chosen liquid, whether it's water, milk, or your favorite smoothie. And as for the taste, prepare to be pleasantly surprised. X2 Whey Protein Isolate comes in a range of delicious flavors that make hitting your protein macros a treat rather than a chore. But of course, taste is just the beginning. The real test of any protein powder lies in its performance. I've been using X2 Whey Protein Isolate for a while now, and let me tell you, the results speak for themselves. Not only does it support muscle recovery and growth after intense workouts, but it also provides a sustained energy boost that keeps me going through even the toughest training sessions. Whether you're bulking up or leaning down, X2 Whey Protein Isolate is a versatile ally in your fitness journey. With its fast-absorbing formula and premium quality, it's the perfect post-workout refuel or anytime snack to keep your muscles primed and ready for action. So, if you're ready to take your fitness game to the next level, I highly recommend giving X2 Whey Protein Isolate a try. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, reviews, and workouts. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards your goals. See you in the next video.